What's up, guys? So when I do box braids, I get a lot of questions on how to grip the hair so the braid doesn't look loose. I think this method is the best method to use for beginners who cannot grip the hair tight enough for box braids. So if you want to see this method, just keep on watching. For this hairstyle, you're going to need a crochet needle, some rubber bands, then lastly, you're also going to need some braiding hair, whichever braiding hair you're used to using. No one likes long videos, so of course, for the sake of the length of this video, I already got started. As you can sort of see, I parted the hair in triangles and I rubber band sections as I go. So let's get started on how to do this easy box braid method for gripping the hair. So first you take the crochet needle and you're going to stick it in the middle of the section under the rubber band. And then the sectioned hair that you have sectioned off for the braid, you're going to hook it on the crochet needle and pull it through under the rubber band. As you can tell, the hair is already gripped by using this method. It's already tight. So that is what makes this good for beginners who can't grip the hair. You can go ahead and start your braid like this. It's enough hair. Or if you like me, I don't like the rubber band to show. So what I do is take another section of braiding hair and I use it to cover the rubber band. So this step is really easy too. So you're going to grab the left side and then grab the right side, matching up that extra piece of hair with each side. Then you can use the natural hair as the third piece and begin to braid. So as you see, the hair is gripped with the rubber band, so you do not have to worry about the hair being gripped tight. And since the rubber band is covered, you can't even tell you have rubber bands in your hair. I will demonstrate this method again, just speeding it up a bit. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Till my next video. Bye.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Trap nigga with the chickens like pop.